Hi guys, Christian, Service Advisor here at Romano Mazda, and today we are going to be showing you how to check your tread depths on your tires and advise you as to when you should look to replace them. So this is a tread depth indicator that we use here in the shop to gauge the life expectancy of your tires. Now, it is not common that an average customer will own one of these, so I'm going to be showing you how to check your treads using a good old penny. So for us, we're going to use this tread depth gauge to check to see your tires. You can see, for example, this one is just sitting between green and yellow. But for your average consumer, we're going to show you how to check using a penny. So you're going to take the penny, hold it upside down, and put it right in the tread. If you see above Abe Lincoln's head, then you know your tires are at 230 seconds or lower, which is in the red, and we would recommend replacement per New York State. I'd also like to make a point to let you know that we recommend tire rotations every 5,000 miles on the vehicles. What that does is it ensures that your tires are wearing evenly, which will help to eliminate any excessive road noise or vibrations in your vehicle. Rest assured, every time your Mazda comes into service at Romano Mazda, we will check your tires for their tread depth and overall conditioning and advise you accordingly as to when you're going to be looking to replace them. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to one of the service advisors over here at the desk. We are more than happy to help you with anything you might think of.